Hi, welcome to Clay House. It's me, Alice. Wow! Let's get started, everyone. Today, let's make a house in which CoComelon appears. I'm making a house using cardboard and clay. Hope everyone likes the video. Do you like this DIY video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support my channel.
let's read the comic. My eyes are so tired. Let's go to sleep.
Sing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom alone.
Wow!
You never give me
La la la
any
la 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 la.
chance.
Oh, there is a
Watch me
cake.
on my
It
way
looks sweet.
out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Yay!
Watch out, the small world is closing in, no doubt. You've been in some nasty pain, but I'll shout right until you
So the house is done. If you like, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel.
I will let you dig your hole. I'll stay, tickling your bored out soul, and we'll play pretend if it'll get you warm. I know we could be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise all gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this way. And you are typing the words down, let them taint your blank spaces. We could be a splash of paint. Tough times, they tend to make you lose your mind. Bright signs and sunlight can be hard
Goodbye
to
and
find,
see you in the
but
next
we'll
video.
fight this off
Playhouse
until
loves
it's
you.
out of sight.